Hello friends, welcome to IT Technology Official. Friends, today we will discuss how to install net speed monitor on taskbar for Windows 10, Windows 7 or Windows 11. Friends, we can install on any Windows and we can monitor our internet speed on taskbar. So we have idea how much speed we are consuming on our system. So to monitor this speed, first of all we have to download a software net speed monitor for Windows. Then we will install and we will check. Let's move to the topic and go to any browser and download software. Net speed monitor. Friends, this shows the result of search net speed meter. Microsoft Store. We can also download this Microsoft Store. Go to Microsoft Store. In search bar we will type the name net speed meter. This is the app and we will get this app. We can also get from here also store. And we will start this app for download. As soon as this app is downloaded, we will use, and I will show you how we can use this app. Friends, it will take some time. We have to wait till the download is finished, then we will install this app. Application download complete. Now we will open and install this app. Open this. Now friends, we have launched this application. Now friends, you can see the download and upload speed, and we can place at anywhere on our desktop. We can place on right side on desktop, or we can also display on taskbar. It's good to place in taskbar that we will see our internet download and upload speed while we are working. And if we want to test our speed, then we can type Friends, here you will see 4 Mbps, 96, 27, 25 Mbps download speed, and you can see here the speed of internet, and it's showing an excellent result, 20, 28, 30 MB up to 30. And now we will test its upload speed. You can see here 4.8, 4 point something, and see also here 9, 9, 7, 8, up to 9. Now friends, you can use this application to monitor your internet speed freely. If you have any question or you have facing any issue while installing this app, you can write me in comments. Thanks. Bye.